Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect the Attack Shark X11 mouse via Bluetooth, step by step. This method works on most PCs and laptops, so let's jump right in. First, make sure the mouse has power. Now, flip the mouse over and look at the back. You'll see a small toggle switch that lets you choose between USB mode and Bluetooth mode. By default, it's usually set to USB. Move the switch to the Bluetooth position. Once you do this, the mouse is now ready to pair. Next, go to your computer and click on the Start menu. Open Settings, then go to Devices or Bluetooth in Devices. At the top, click Add Device. When the options appear, choose Bluetooth. Your computer will start searching for nearby devices. After a few seconds, you should see X11 appear in the list. Click on X11 to connect. Once the connection is complete, the mouse should start working immediately. And that's it. That's how you connect the Attack Shark X11 mouse via Bluetooth. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.